Hi guys, Cristina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Hope everyone is doing okay. We are baking today a traditional Spanish cake, especially from Gran Canaria in Lanzarote, where we just came back from our holiday. It's a very nice cake. It's almond based cake. I tried to find the recipe that actually is a sponge. Normally they make it as a syrup and use it, eat it with ice cream. But I managed to find one. This Bienmesabe in Spanish means it tastes good to me. So we're gonna try and do it. We're gonna dip it in a bit of chocolate at the end, and it's gonna taste amazing. Let's see what ingredients we need for this, guys, shall we? All right, guys. So the ingredients we need are going to be 150 grams of sugar. This is 150 grams of butter, melted butter. These are 6 egg yolks, and I've added a bit of salt. Remember, when you add the salt, it'll keep them nice and stiff. We have here 200 grams of almond, crushed almonds. I just use my my food processor for it, and I added a teaspoon of baking powder to it. This is about 50 grams of almonds, obviously chopped, but in bigger pieces because I'm going to use it to decorate it with. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla as well. We will melt about 50 grams of dark chocolate, but that will be at the very end when we get the cake out of the tray. So I already put the oven on at 180 degrees. And I've prepared a normal tin. This is a 23 centimeter tin. It's just a normal cake, yeah. We're gonna mix up the butter with the mixer for a couple of minutes till it gets nice and fluffy. And then we add the sugar and the almonds, and the beaten egg whites will be at the very end, yeah. So let's start mixing up the butter first, guys. Alright guys, so I've beaten the butter a bit with the sugar, yeah. Now we will add the almonds with a little baking powder on it, and my teaspoon of vanilla, yeah. Teaspoon vanilla in this. Done. Yeah. And let me see now. I'm gonna wash the spatulas because I'm gonna start beating the egg whites, and then the egg whites will incorporate it here, but by hand. Yeah. Slowly. Alright guys, so all done. See, it's stiff, yeah, doesn't fall off. That's the best way to check it. Turn your bowl upside down, and we're gonna put it in here. Now we try and put a bit of air into the cake, yeah. So that means mixing very slowly. Very slowly in a round motion. might change my tray because I don't think it's enough composition for a big tray here. So we were supposed to use a smaller tray anyway, but I don't have a smaller tray. So I just might use a round tray where I can cut from anyway. One sec. Right guys, so it was enough for the big tray. We will bake this cake for about 40 minutes. Yeah, 180 degrees. I just realized that this is a very healthy option. It's a gluten-free cake, yeah, because there's no flour, it's just almonds. So there's your gluten-free version of almond cake, Bienmesabe, going in the oven for about 40 minutes. Don't forget to check it with the skewer. When it looks golden brown, it's done. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I take it out of the oven, which will be in a bit. Yeah. Here we go. I took the cakes out of the oven, yeah, and I cut them into little pieces. They look like this. Very, very, very nice. Of course, the almonds are very oily, so that's why it looks like this. The skewer came out clean when I tried it. What we're going to do now, see, I melted a bit of milk chocolate here. It's still hot, and I'm just going to play with the chocolate on top of it. Yeah, just like that. Of course, as you know guys, the chocolate is getting hard quickly. Yeah, so make sure you got all your cakes done before. Obviously the more chocolate the better. Make sure you have it all covered up before the chocolate actually gets hard. Yeah, here we go. Ice cream fan on a rainy day. Started to rain now, and the ice cream van, it's outside. It's outside, so it's a funny thing. Okay, right, here we go. And now I just want them all covered up in chocolate. That's why I'm gonna try and do that until my chocolate is still allowing me to do that. Oh, they just look so good. They taste really nice. I tried a bit of the edges, and now with the chocolate on top, they're gonna be even better. So a very nice Spanish recipe here. See, there's a bit more chocolate left. Just a bit. Okay guys, of course, let the chocolate set a bit, yeah, and then you can move your move your case in a nice on a nice stand. I got my stand ready, but I was just waiting for the chocolate to set. So now I got those crushed almonds from the beginning, yeah, I was telling you about, and we're just gonna put it on top. Yeah, and when they set, we can have some. Look at that. That is the goodness of a whole bake tray, babes. Look at that gorgeous thing. Sorry, I just get really excited. There we go. Done. Right. So this was the gluten-free version of a Spanish cake. Bienmesabe. Yes. It was very nice to actually bake it, and it wasn't as long either. It was just about, I don't know, maybe an hour altogether. They look really yum. So obviously let them set. I can't wait to try one when it's done. But this was all for today's, guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. You will have a link on the video somewhere on the upper or lower screen there. We do upload videos every week, so of course don't forget to press that bell, and then you'll know when the video is up. And yeah, happy bake. Yeah, until next time, guys, go break an egg. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye bye.